Hello, my name is Liam Nicholson, and I will be presenting on the effect of music on sports performance. Elite athletes all over the world are using music during their warm-ups and while they're playing their allotted sports. Scientists have proved that there are a myriad of ways that music aids these athletes in their athletic performance. Take the pictures. LeBron James, a famous basketball player, is listening to music during his warm-up, as is Odell Beckham, a famous football player, and Usain Bolt is listening right before he takes the track to win an Olympic race. Music, due to its proven positive effects on endurance and its ability to alter one's mental state, has a positive effect on athletic performance. Power Beats are a type of headphone designed by Beats, used specifically for athletes while they're working out. Developers are using these athletes, such as LeBron James and Cam Newton, to advertise these headphones to the masses. Take a look at this video.
Give up. That's what they want you to do. Stop. That's what they want you to do. You're not the best. That's what they say. Come on, let's be great.
I tell them all to hell, King Kendrick, resurrected my vengeance, been dissecting your motor mouth till I break down the engine. This ain't a warning shot, this a relevant henchman. See my opponent, then cease your existence. It in our friendship, baby, I'd rather die alone. Your diaphragmatic dietary, what you eating on? Capture your audience with these words, boy. The holy chapel, the tabernacle, the book of Matthew, and Jesus staring at you, take your turn, boy. See, it's gonna take a whole lot of y'all to kill me. See, it's gonna take a whole tribe of y'all to kill me. I never die, my pedigree apparently only to idolize. Our enemy is only my future and not on time. Longevity, I gotta get used to making you mine. You telling me I only get used to living is fine. You can never live in my shoes from a leaping from God. When the sun goes down, I scream.
So as you can see, although you couldn't hear that video, Cam Newton was going hard, working out, listening to his music, and they were actually advertising some Kendrick Lamar, actually. So why are the athletes listening to this music? Scientists have proven that music does things to the brain, and some have even considered it a legal performance-enhancing drug. It has such an effect on the way you perform that the USA Track and Field prevented runners from using headphones at official races because it gives them a competitive advantage. So like marathoners were not allowed to listen to music while they were running because it gave them competitive advantage. Psychologically, have you ever heard someone say that they're in the zone or that they're locked in? Music can create this sort of altered reality, putting one in a trance, and can create a deeper focus. Think about when you're running around. You're always listening to music when you're running. And if you're not, all you hear is the sound of your hard breathing, and all you can think about is how much your lungs hurt. As a test, I did push-ups 2 separate days. One I did with the Rocky theme song playing in the back, and one I had nothing in the back. I did 40 with the Rocky theme song and 35 without it. So music had an effect on my performance. Physically, music has the ability to distract your body from fatigue, scientists have proved, leading to greater endurance and strength. So you can see why the USA Track and Field banned music from the races, as it distracts your body, giving you an advantage because it allows you to run for longer, and you don't notice your limbs getting tired. And also recall Cam Newton in the previous clip was lifting heavy stuff, but he was listening to his music, so he was fine. Concluding, music has a definite effect on sports performance, both physically and psychologically. So, as a takeaway from this presentation, I ask you to go out, and next time you're on a run, try to do it without music. Next time you're working out, try to do it without music. Or if you are a guy who always listens to music, or if you're a guy who never listens to music while you're running, try to listen to music and see how it affects the way you run. Thank you. My name is Liam Nicholson, and I am logging out.